We're working on trying to get the shape of the chest on the dragon right. I can see in my mind's eye what I want, but I'm having trouble finding the words, so I just drew it out on the floor.
Okay. Like it's longer here and then, do you know what I mean?
I do, yeah.
Okay, something like that. Okay.
That's what I loved about working with Josh on this project. He was so quick to get what I was envisioning. Once he had the shape in his head, he got to work on the Bailey hydraulic pipe roller, rolling the pipe between two dies while the center die pushes between them, creating a roll in the ring. As for the tool he's using that looks like a template, Josh has a long adjustable radius tool. We put a shape up, look at it, stand back and stand to the side. I visualize it like a drawing, picturing a pencil line drawing the neck into the chest.
Yeah.
And I shape the metal accordingly.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking in my head too.
Yeah, I
is
think so too.
right where the clamp is, buck it off at that angle.
Here.
Yeah, maybe not that much, like kind of right center of the clamp maybe, like.
You can always take more off, right?
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
Take your 2 inches off.
Yep,
'Cause it-
start
as
with
this
2.
comes up, it's gonna
Yeah.
It's gonna tighten this angle up too. So I just
Yeah.
there, and this can come back. I only have it tacked at the very top,
Okay.
way, so I can go this way if you need to. I did that on purpose. So
Let's try that,
okay,
because I do think it's going to be too chesty.
I think so too. You're right. I think you might need to take more off of that. More, a little bit more off that one. Yeah. And it needs to come down. It needs to pull it off the side of the pipe a little bit. Pull it off the side so we can roll it back. Oh, yep. Yeah, you go to the other side. Too much again? Still? Wow, it's like half the radius.
It needs to open up.
It opened up, I opened up 10 inches. Opened it up 10 inches. At least. I put more bend here. And then opened that up a lot.
That's why. So that bend helped pull that up.
Yeah.
So that's good, right to like almost all of that's good. Where it goes out is about stretch your arm out right now.
Okay, so what I can do
Like
is
right where your
I
hand
can
is?
flip this around here. Because that's I made that soft on purpose, so I can soften this will go the other way. If I flip this over, it'll curve this out nicely.
Okay. Put real good ones on there.
Yeah, no one. It leaves enough room for
Oh yeah, no, I like that.
force the belly.
Yeah. Now this one, I think when we come off the bottom,
Yep.
it should just come just slightly straight, but not really, and then down and swoop. Like,
Okay, so you want a little bit of swoop at the end? Just a little short.
oh yeah. What if we got that we could set it on there? And then let's find something to sit on here. Just to hold it up.
Hold it up?
Yeah.
What are we? Pipe jacks are
Too tall, I think, yeah.
What about the ladder?
Actually, you know what? I think a pipe jack would work. A pipe jack would work. Yeah, all the way down, I think they're okay. Oh yeah, see? Totally. I love those things, they're so handy. Okay, right about there. See, what I'm seeing is this flow from here to here,
Yeah.
right? Just taking that little twig out of it
Yeah.
so it flows up. Let's have a look, stand back. Somewhere around here, we want it to flow down into a curve to the belly. So it has a little bit of a radius at the back, but a really long one, you know? right where your elbow is, right in front of you, behind you, back, right about there-ish. That whole thing needs to radius from there to the tip.
That way? This way?
Down.
Like this style, right? So you
Yeah.
go down and
Yep. So that whole thing's an S. Exactly.
Okay.
Yep.
And then wherever this lands, you just make a piece that softens this, right? Rather than having to change something here.
I just cut that off.
Cut this off here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the wrong shape. So what you want to do once this is coming, see, you've got the perfect shape here, like this.
Yeah.
This is a long radius. So you want that, like back here would be down here somewhere.
Yep.
So it comes up
Okay.
and then transitions into that nice and softly, nothing radical anywhere.
Okay.
And then, so we could use just another longer piece if you want, right?
Yep.
Just
And
make
we'll
a
have to
longer
bring it
piece.
to here.
Yeah, exactly. Well, yeah,
I think
exactly.
This will just kind of bring it. I mean, even this might be too. Is this too tall? Is this too short here?
It might be. Yeah, it might be.
So maybe we.
I don't think it is, but I think once this transitions softly, it'll flow right into that. And then we'll have to add a little piece here probably,
I
like
think
like just a little bit. Yeah.
2 or 3 inches.
Yep.
Or something. Okay.
Which is fine.
Okay.
Yep. I'm just gonna back with it a bit.
Put in there.
Well, there you go. It's looking good.
I just want to kind of go gradual. I can always put more in. And
Yeah. See, this isn't bad. I wouldn't mess with this because when you go deeper here, it's going to bring that up. So I wouldn't mess with this side. I'd just go deeper there and see how it looks. Then we could adjust that side.
Well, I mean, no matter what, regardless, if you do one thing on one side, it's going to affect the other side. So if you
I know,
want to-
but what I'm saying is when you go aggressive here,
Yep.
it's going to make
go up.
that come up, which
Yeah.
will flow better.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Beauty. You want a hand getting it in there?
Yeah, it's going to go this way and it has to go
Okay.
past, go in from the right side.
You can go on this side and I can slide it in. I think, yep. See, we can come down. Whoop. We can come down a bit. Whoop. Here's, I got it. You just go down with it a little bit. Down more. Is that looking better? Oh,
Yeah, that's better.
nailed it.
Yeah, I think that was it.
Wow.
Yeah, totally.
Wow.
Yeah.
Perfect job, Josh. It's perfect.
I mean, it's going to drop 2 inches in the back. Almost need to.
That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. Well, I was just looking at your piece right here. Maybe this one.
Yeah, right there where it touches.
You know, lock that in like that.
That center line there, right? Right here.
Yeah. Like once you lock that in and you've got the drop tied in, that's tied in, everything's tied in and really good and solid. I think the next phase will be to actually work the rings from back here and work our way up and see this shape should transition with the back as well. Like I don't,
You're gonna go and then up and then okay.
I think following that with the back
Yeah.
is going to be kind of, it should look good. It you know, we might have to tweak a little bit, but
Yeah.
I love it. I really like that look. It's the perfect belly.
Yeah.
Just a thought.
Yeah, I like it.
It's funny, you know, once you start seeing more and more shape, the brain just starts going. The more you do, the easier it starts to get, because it starts to build itself at some point. Once you've got an outline.
Yeah, I've been working blind up until now. I'm
Yeah.
blind, but
Yeah.
relatively speaking.
Yeah. Guessing at what the shape should be, but now, crazy.
I'm just thinking it's like flat, it just wouldn't, you'd have so much.
Oh yes. Yeah, yeah.
You have to have another, like, this or something.
Here you see Josh putting vertical pieces up the spine. Those vertical pieces are designed to hold the rings in place as we shape the backbone. Rather than just having rings welded off of the backbone, you have to stagger them and place them in a way that creates a three-dimensional shape, showing the rolling backbone. The vertical pieces are supporting the height of each one of those rings. Once we establish the height the ring needs to be, that vertical piece is cut off and the ring is welded to it.
I think it's gonna have a little dip there, and then it's gonna be round.
Yep.
Round there,
Yep.
and then a little dip at the shoulder to kind of follow the belly. Helps to be 9 feet long, eh? You want a squeeze clamp? I'll pass you a squeeze clamp to lock it in. Holy shit. You know what? Hold on right there. Wow.
There or up higher?
I don't know. That looks cool too. Wow, that looks really good. Good job, man. Nice nailing it the first time, isn't it? And then it's just filling in hoops. Man, by Friday, it's gonna look amazing. Yeah, I think it looks amazing. A lot of work ahead of us.
Yeah.
A lot of work ahead of us, but I love it. I like it. It's huge.
He is huge.
Wait till there's a head stuck on it.
Oh, I know.
Give it some character. The head's gonna be awesome.